So years ago, I used to have a normal top on my radial arm saw. Particle board, it's what it came with. And at one point, I was able to get some bowling alley, flip it upside down, and create this much bigger, heavy duty top piece of a bowling alley lane. And at that time, I thought, so the radial arm is one of the features of it is you can move at any angle. You can even tilt like this. The truth is, I really only use it in one position now. I use it in this position. And one of the reasons is because I have alternatives for the other things. And I didn't want to cut everything up here. I didn't want all these marks in my table anymore. I did do some over here, and then I kind of regretted doing that, but oh well. It's there. So right now I need a 45 on two ends for the molding I'm working on. And I didn't really want to take down my router table. And I thought, well, maybe I could just do it over here. If I have something that has a 45 on it, I could just lay it in there, hold it like this, really firm. It is pine, it's white pine, so it's going to cut easy. And then cut it slowly and I'll have my 45. So I think that's a great idea. In fact, maybe I should take it a step further and make a piece. This is actually for another project, so I'm going to use it, but I'm not going to, once I do that project, I'm not going to have, you can see how long it's been since I started that project. But it's still going to come to completion. We're doing something else, and then we're going to put them together and use it. But it'd be nice if I had a piece maybe long like this that came over to here. It doesn't have to be as wide, maybe like an 8-inch or 6-inch. Comes over to here, and then I could clamp it here so that's stable, and then I would just hold my piece in there. So there's always another way of doing stuff. So this is I think this is kind of a cool idea. And I'm probably going to make a piece that goes in there that I keep here with my saw. Okay, so cutting 45s on the radial arm, non-conventional method.